Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we'll continue our teaching series on number-based system. What we have before us is a question that requires us to convert this value to a number in base 3. This is pretty much simple to approach. All we have to do is to create a table of 2 columns, then write the number we are converting here, which is 25, and write the base we are converting to here, which is 3. We are converting 25 to base 3. Alright, so all we have to do is to divide this value by this base, which is 3, and write the remainders, because we are very much interested in the remainder. So when we divide 25 by 3, what would that give us? 25 divided by 3 will give us 8 remainder 1, right? Okay, so we repeat the same process. We divide 8 by 3. That will give us 2 remainder 2. Okay, also we divide 2 by 3. That is 0 remainder 2. And this brings us to the end of the division process. Now we write these values in ascending order, and that gives us the answer to this conversion. So the answer is 25 base 10 is equal to 221 base 3. Okay, that's the answer to this question. Alright, so we'll take another question to further elucidate on this concept, and that brings us to the end of conversion from base 10 to any other base. Okay, this question is very much similar to the question we solved previously. The little difference is that in this question we'll be applying the concept of alphabets, the alphabets that we dealt with in one of our previous videos. So let's see how the alphabet comes into play in this question. Alright, so like we said earlier, to convert from base 10 to any other base, all we have to do is to draw a table of 2 columns. Alright, then put the number we are converting on the right hand side of the table, and put the base we are converting to on this other side. So we are converting to base 16, so base 16 will be on the left hand side of the table. Alright, so 16 divide 208 would give us 13 remainder 0. Alright, so 16 divide 13 will give us 0 remainder 13. Now we can't write 13, we would represent it with D. So that's basically what we want to bring out in this particular question, using this as example 2 for this conversion process. And just like before, in writing the answers, we are picking the digits or the values from the lower part to the upper part in this ascending order. Alright, so we write 208 base 10 is equal to this base 16. Alright, so basically we've been able to, in our previous video, we've been able to explain the conversion from other bases to base 10, and in this video we've been able to convert from base 10 to other bases as well. It remains the same process irrespective of the base you are converting to. Even though you are converting to base 17, base 9, base 5, still the same process. Draw your table, 2 column table, and then do your division. It's just as simple as that. Thank you, and see you on our next video.